Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, children. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nana.
today the in English ma'am and ICT ma'am told to read all.
Read. Yeah, let us discuss about. Listen carefully, all of you. Let's discuss about this 12 hours format and 24 hours clock format. After that, in course book one enrichment sheet is there. That thing you read. Okay. Let us discuss about this 24 hours clock system and 12 hours clock system. Okay.
Just now explain చేస్తాను మాకు
This is
వేరే
my
Now listen to 12-hour clock time system. Actually, one day is equal to how many hours, children? 24 hours, right? In 24 hours clock, 12 hours clock system, these 24 hours have been divided into two parts. First 12 hours and next 12 hours. Whereas this 24-hour clock time system is totally based on 24 hours only. Okay. Till here you understood, right? You know 12 hours clock format is divided into two parts. Whereas 24 hours clock time system is based on only 24 hours. Okay. Generally, most of us at home will use this 12-hour clock time system, right? Whereas this is mostly based on digital clocks and all are based on this 24-hour system, and mostly in airports, railway stations and all, this time format is used, right? 24 hours time format is used. Whenever we mention this 24, let me go to next page. See, if you want, you can once go through it, then I'll go to next page. 12 hours clock time system. Generally, we have for one day 24 hours. But whereas in 12 hours clock time system, this is divided into two parts. First session of 12 hours and second session also for 12 hours. Okay. First session, first 12 hours is of first session. Second 12 hours is of second session, whereas 24-hour clock time system is based on 24 hours only. Let's go to further part. See, in 12 hours clock format, whenever we mention time, we mention it with AM or PM. Okay, based on the time. First session 12 hours. First session of 12 hours will be mentioned with AM. That means first session, first 12 hours will time will be mentioned with AM. Means midnight at 12 o'clock AM starts. Midnight at 12 o'clock AM starts and ends at 11:59. It is nearer to afternoon, right? I'll write as morning. Okay, morning. We use AM only. Whereas afternoon 12 o'clock PM starts and ends at night. So we use PM here. Look over it and try to understand. If anybody want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot and you can refer it later. Okay, whereas children, whenever you mention time in the basis of 24 hours format, you should not mention AM or PM. AM or PM you should not mention for 24 hours format. How you have to mention time? It's very easy. Start a day starts at what time? Darwin, day starts at what time? Ashish, Ashish,
Ma'am,
are you listening to me or chit chatting with somebody? Yeah, Darwin, tell me, day starts at what time?
12.
Very good. So 12. But whereas in the basis of 12 hours format, how you'll mention the 12 as
12.
12 AM or PM?
AM.
Very good. But whereas in 24 hours format, we mentioned that when day starts at what time? 12, he said. No, Darwin said that day starts at 12. You have to mention, suppose the time at what time, what is the time means you have to say 12 hours. You should not mention AM or PM. You should mention hours there. Understood? If it is midnight 1 o'clock, then you should mention it as 1 hour. 1 hour. If it is early morning 5 o'clock, then you should mention it as 5 hours. Okay. 5 hours. And just a minute. Okay, children. Early morning 5 o'clock, you will mention it as 5 hours. Suppose the time is 5:30 in the morning. Then how you will mention it? Yes, Anvi?
Ma'am, 30.
See, one change is there, children. Let me write here. I forgot to mention zeros in case of minutes. Here, either you can put dots and you can mention zeros. Otherwise, sometimes in generally in airports and all, it will be mentioned like this. So you will be getting confused if I write like this. We'll mention the colon only. Okay, 12 hours, 1 hour, 5 hours. Now tell me, Sanvi, if it's 5:30 morning, how you will mention it? Sanvi. Okay, Pranav. You tell. What happened, Sanvi?
Tell me the question one more time.
Wait,
Ma'am,
Pranav. Sanvi will.
5:30 hours.
Very good. Shall we put a colon or you can write like 5:30? Like this.
We should keep colon.
Very good. So, here we have to put a colon 5:30 hours. Now, Pranav, tell me the time is 12:45
అదే మమ్మీ కాల్ చేసింది
12:45.
వచ్చింది సో అక్క
12:45 in
కాల్
the
Afternoon. Then how you'll mention the time? Let us discuss only about 24 hours format now. 24 hours
12:40
format.
12:45 p.m.
See, that is for 12 hours format. That is for
24 hours
12 hours format and 24 hours format is there. Okay, now you have to mention 12 o'clock in the afternoon. How you'll mention here?
12 12 12 p.m. 12 o'clock.
PM in 12 hours format. What about here then? In 24 hours format?
12 p.m.
Again, why you are putting PM there? Just now, you were not listening to me when I was explaining.
12 a.m.
You should not put either AM or PM in whenever you are converting this into 24 hours format. In 24 hours format, yes, Darwin, tell me.
12 hours.
When you write this in 12, you have to write the time 12 o'clock in the afternoon. What you will write?
20.
12 o'clock afternoon. 12 PM is how it is written in 24 hours format. Yes, Surya.
Ma'am, we will write 12 and for 2 zeros and then write hours.
Very good. See, 12 colon 2 zeros and then you should put hours, not AM or PM. But you will be getting a doubt. You have a confusion whether in the midnight 12 o'clock. If it is midnight 12 o'clock, Surya, tell me in 12 hours format what you will write to midnight 12 o'clock.
12 a.m.
Very good. Midnight. You will write it as 12 AM. Now coming to 24 hours format. Will it be same like 12 hours?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
See, for the before question, you told that for 12 p.m., when you convert that into 24 hours format, it will become 12 hours. Okay, it is okay, correct. But when we come to 12 o'clock in the midnight, if you have to write that in 12 hours format, you will write as 12 a.m. Okay. Then how you will write that in 24 hours format? See, actually, the day starts at that time, right? Day starts at that time. When you look over a digital clock, Pranav, put it down and listen to me carefully. When day starts in your digital clock, you have your any time observed, children? As soon as it's 12 o'clock in the midnight, in your watch, in your wristwatch, or on a digital clock, how it will be shown? Today you observe, you wake up at till 12 o'clock today. Otherwise you put alarm at 12 o'clock and you observe, it will be shown like 0 0 0 0. See, when as soon as the day starts, it immediately goes to zeros. Then after that, these minutes, after 60 minutes becomes 1 hour. Like after it beats for 60 minutes, it go to 1 hour. Starts again, day starts from 1 hour onwards. Okay. For 12 o'clock, you should mention that in 24 hours format as 00 hours. This thing is very important. Otherwise, you will have an overall confusion all the time. So this thing is most important thing you have to remember, children. If you want, you people observe today in the midnight 12 o'clock, you put an alarm for at 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. and see in digital clock how it appears. Only zeros will be appeared. After that, seconds will be changed to 0 1 second, 0 2 seconds, 0 3 seconds, 0 4 seconds, like that till 60 seconds. After, minutes will be changed to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, like that. After 60 seconds, then it comes to 1 hour. Near hours, place will be changed to 0 1. From 0 0 to 0 1, it will be changed. Understood? Got it? Is it clear to you all what I have told, Viraj? Clear, Nana? Good. Good.
Actually, I don't have digital clock in my home.
Then how then? You observe any time, whenever it is possible, you just check it. That's not so compulsory to buy a new digital watch and you have to observe. Not like that. Whenever it is possible, you just observe the digital clocks. What kind of time is appearing on it, and what kind of time you can see in the 12 hours clock.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the phone also we will get digital clock, no, ma'am?
Yes. In phone, mobile also you can see. Yes, very good. In mobile device also you can see. You put alarm at 12 o'clock and you can observe.
Mobile also we can see.
Yes. Whenever you put alarm,
No, ma'am, I didn't
anytime
put
alarm.
time also.
Yeah, okay. Once try it through your device, mobile device. Okay. So now got cleared how you'll write the time format in 12 hours clock system and 24 hours clock system. Let us take some more examples now. See. 12 hours clock system, 24 hours clock system. Suppose if it is afternoon, 1 o'clock, then how you'll write this in 12 hours format? Rohan? Rohan? It's 1 o'clock afternoon. What is the time in 12 hours format? Sritan?
Ma'am?
You are not
Yes,
listening
ma'am.
to me? You are very busy with some other things. When I ask a question to somebody, everybody must be alert. Understood? You don't think that ma'am is asking to some other person, it is not related to me. Don't think like that. It is related to everyone, so be alert. I may ask the same question to other person also. Sadgun, tell me, 12 hours clock, 1 o'clock, afternoon 1 o'clock. How you will write that in 12 hours format?
12 hours format.
Okay, Pranav, you tell me. In 12 hours format,
What?
how you will write this afternoon 1 o'clock?
1 p.m.
1, that's all, 1 p.m. Shall I write like this?
No. 1 dot
Colon 0
0
after that.
after that p.m.
Now, how you will write this same time in 24 hours clock format?
1 o'clock hours.
No, 1 o'clock hours. What is that?
Okay.
You should not write even 1 hour or 1 hour also. 1 hour again when the day starts after 12 hours, 0 hours. At that time, I said no, 1 hour it becomes. Then what you have to do is, listen carefully all of you. If it is 1 p.m. in the afternoon, then how you have to write this in 12 hours format? You just have to add 12 to the number, to the time which is there. Simple thing you have to add is, you have to add 12 to the number. If you add that, how much it becomes, Pranav? Pranav, are you there?
Ma'am, I am there.
Tell me how much it becomes after you add this.
13.
13. So when you convert 1 p.m. to 24 hours format, it becomes 13 hours. How much?
13 hours.
Now tell me, Pranav, you only should tell this one more question.
Okay.
If it
Okay.
is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, what is the time?
2 o'clock p.m.
What is this? Why you are using clock in between? When you mention time, you will mention it as 2 o'clock. If you have to mention that in 12 hours clock format, you should not use that clock there. You should write what you have to write, tell me.
14 hours.
You are writing in 12 hours clock format, Pranav, not in 24 hours format. Ashish, tell me what you will get here. When you write that in 12 hours format, what you should write here?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ashish.
Ma'am, can I tell? I'm Viraj.
Yeah, wait, Nana, Viraj. I'm asking to Ashish here. You were not listening. This is the important concept here. You people are skipping, simply chatting with others, diverting yourself. Yes, Viraj, tell me. 2 o'clock.
12
Written in
p.m.
class. Huh?
12 o'clock p.m.
Don't say 12 o'clock. What is the time here? See,
Here you wrote 2 o'clock, ma'am, after 12 o'clock.
That's what, Nana. How you will write that in 12 hours format? Show me otherwise. You write and show me. I'll tell you how to read it.
Anna 90.
Have you written? Viraj? Others also can try, no? Sritan? You can try, right? Sritan? Time is afternoon 2 o'clock. How you will write that in 12 hours format? Whenever you mention time in 12 hours format, you should apply AM or PM. And how you have to write that? It's simply no change in the time. Kritik, do you want to say?
Yes.
Tell me.
2 p.m.
Very good. How you will write? Show me. Otherwise, you say how to write. I'll write here.
Ma'am, I'm showing 2 column
Correct, Viraj.
column
Very
0
good. Very good.
0 p.m.
Very good. Like this. 2 p.m. You should not say 2 o'clock p.m. It's 2 p.m. and you have to write like this. Now tell me how to convert this into 24 hours format.
24
Can you
hours
write
format.
2 o'clock?
Hours.
Huh?
14 hours.
Very good. How you have to write? Tell me this also.
14 colon 00 hours.
Very good. Now Kritik. It's evening. It's evening 5:30. Tell me how to write this in 12 hours clock format.
Ma'am, for whom you are asking? 5 colon 30 p.m.
Very good. Now write this. Tell this in 24 hours format.
17:30
How you
colon 30
How you got this 17? How you
evening
17?
17:30 hours
That's what, Nana. How you got this 17?
by adding 12.
Very good. By adding 12. 12 plus 5 is how much? 17. 17:30 hours. Now let us convert 24 hours clock format to 12 hours clock format. If it is morning 8 o'clock, what is the time in 24 hours format?
The time
Wait,
is
I'll
8.
ask other person. Viraj, don't say.
Okay, ma'am.
Samanyu,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your videos, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Samanyu,
ma'am.
tell me when you have to write this in 24 hours format. Morning 8 o'clock.
Morning 8 o'clock.
First, you tell me in 24 hours format.
24 hours.
See, till morning 11:59 till morning afternoon 12 o'clock, there will not be any kind of change. Afternoon, from afternoon 1 o'clock only, you should add 12. Okay. Now there will not be any change for morning 8 o'clock. But the way you should know how to write that. Tell me how to write.
8
Yes, 8.
a.m.
Is it 12 hours format to write AM?
No, ma'am.
Huh. Shall I put colon?
Yes, ma'am.
After that?
00.
Zeros. Actually, it is 24 hours format. So you should put hours there.
Hours.
If it is 12 hours format, then only you should mention AM or PM.
Yeah.
Now tell me how to write this in 12 hours format.
8
8. Fast.
8 colon 00.
Yes.
Ah, 8 a.m.
Okay. 8 AM. Try to refer all these. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is 24 hours clock. How can we find that it is AM or PM?
We should not mention there. That is what the difference is. Whenever we mention in 24 hours format, we should mention it in hours only. Why? Because 24 hours clock is based on 1 to 24 hours. You can find it easily. There is why we are mentioning specially AM or PM, so that you will come to know whether it is morning or evening or night, like that. I said no, it is divided into 2 sessions. First 12 hours, first session. Second 12 hours, second session. First session is mentioned with AM. Second session is mentioned with PM. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if it is Faizan, you tell me. If it is, time is 15 hours in 24 hours format. Tell me how to convert this in 12 hours format.
15.
Children,
15.
so okay, let me explain this thing to you people so that it will be easy for you to convert. Whenever you are converting 24 hours format to 12 hours format, here there is a need to subtract 12 from it. Okay. When you convert 12 hours to 24 hours, there is a need to add 12. But when you convert 24 to 12 hours, there is a need to subtract 12 from it. 15 minus 12 is how much? It's 3.
3 o'clock.
Tell me, Faizan, what is the time?
3 o'clock.
You'll write o'clock here. I should write 3 o'clock.
3 PM.
What I should put after 3?
PM.
Others, how your friend said? How your friend said? Colon you have to mention, no? 3, colon 0, 0. PM.
We have to mention colon.
Minus. Okay. Minus 12 o'clock, you have to mention PM. Okay, let me end the class. Tomorrow we'll be reading that enrichment sheet. I'll give you that as homework also. Try to read it. And I'll give you the same thing as tomorrow we'll be reading that. Okay. Bye children. Have a nice day.